In this video, we're going to discuss some of the tools available to us here at Oakland to plan and visualize cranes and how we can apply this to different aspects and different stages of a project, from pre-con estimating to course of construction, and include some safety into this. Below are some topics we will highlight. We have the crane tool, construction sequencer tool, and the other applications that we might be able to use this tool in. Let's jump into the crane tool's features. The crane tool gives us the ability to add metadata into the system and represent a crane and its capacities. It also allows us to represent the crane in real-world conditions minus some weather restrictions. We can use this information to determine critical picks, verify that laydown areas are within range of the crane and its final position, verify the crane height against the building's height, verify crane placement by looking at the heaviest objects within the project and equipment or materials on the project, along with other structural restrictions that will dictate its location. After verifying crane placement and the capacities, we can now use the construction sequencer to take a deeper dive and verify sequence and flow. For this example, we will look at steel planning and erection sequencing. There are a couple ways to approach what we are wanting to see depending upon the stage of the project. Here we are assuming we are course of construction and have obtained the following: the steel contractor's fabrication schedule, delivery schedule, and erection sequence and schedule. With this information, we can import the schedules into the program and start tying objects to activities. Note, collaboration on how these are received will greatly reduce the amount of manual input needed to perform this activity. Once everything is tied together, we can now dig into the sequence and flow and determine if erection order will work within the parameters of the project. This is particularly good on projects with excessive crane demands and limited room for other equipment or cranes, and can help determine if or when other equipment is needed on the project to maintain schedule and productivity. Let's look at some other applications that this could be used. Adding formwork and reinforcing activities can help identify the demands and blind spots associated with those activities, and can be used during pre-construction and estimating to identify productivity, additional equipment costs, and any safety concerns or costs associated to the project. Adding trades delivery schedules and crane times can help to further predict sequence and flow, along with verifying any weight restrictions.